Right now, you are hurtling eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. But what if in the next second the Earth violently slammed into reverse? Not slowly, not gently, instantly. The ground wouldn't politely shift beneath your feet. The atmosphere would keep moving at 1,000 miles per hour. Everything not bolted down would continue flying east while the planet beneath it spins west. Skyscrapers shear apart. Oceans don't slosh, they surge. Entire coastlines vanish in walls of water taller than mountains. The sky turns into a weapon. The winds would become supersonic. Storm systems spiral backward, colliding with themselves. Jet streams reverse. Air pressure destabilizes globally. Within minutes, the atmosphere becomes a chaotic blender of heat, salt, debris, and vapor. Most life near coastlines, gone. But that's just the first hour. As days pass, something even stranger happens. Weather patterns don't just reverse, they reorganize. Moisture that once fed the American Midwest and parts of Europe now bypasses them entirely. The breadbaskets of the world begin to dry. Fields crack, rivers shrink. Meanwhile, the Sahara, the Arabian deserts, places that haven't seen meaningful rain in centuries, begin to flood. Moist air, now flowing from opposite directions, collides over North Africa and the Middle East. Cloud systems anchor there. Rain falls, not lightly, relentlessly. Within years, dunes give way to wetlands. Within decades, dense tropical jungles overtake what used to be endless sand. The Great Desert Migration has begun, but humanity isn't ready. Global food chains collapse almost overnight. The American Midwest turns into a dust bowl. Parts of Europe become arid plains. Crops fail. Supply chains break. Governments destabilize. Billions face famine. The world map doesn't change its borders, but survival zones do. But here's the part no one expects. After the violence, after the famine, after the collapse, the planet doesn't die, it adapts. Earth has spun both directions before, not literally, but climatically. Ice ages, supercontinents, mass extinctions. Every time, life finds a way back. And this time, the new green heart of the world isn't where civilization began. It's where we once thought nothing could survive. Mega cities rise in former deserts. Solar fields stretch across newly stable equatorial zones. Trade routes shift south. Languages blend. Migration reshapes culture. Children grow up playing in forests that their grandparents only knew as sand dunes. History books describe the Great Reversal as the moment humanity realized we were never in control. Because the terrifying truth isn't that Earth might spin backward. It's that everything we build assumes stability. We design cities for predictable skies, borders for predictable climates, economies for predictable harvests. But the planet has never promised predictability, only motion. So if the Earth reversed tomorrow, yes, there would be chaos. Yes, civilizations would fall. But somewhere, in a place we once called barren, rain would fall for the first time in centuries, and a new world would begin. The real question isn't whether Earth could survive the reversal, it's whether we could.